Here's how to adjust the handlebars on your FLIT-16 using a 6mm Allen key. Place the end of the Allen key into the bolt on the handlebar clamp and turn anti-clockwise to loosen it. Once the clamp is loose, move towards the front of the bike and wedge the front wheel between your feet. Holding the handlebar grips with both hands, twist until they're at your desired height. Please ensure that you do not adjust the handlebars above the minimum insert line shown on the opposite side. Check that the handlebars are perpendicular to the top tube, and before you fully tighten the clamp, fold both the front wheel and handlebars. This is to check that the handlebars do not catch on the top tube or the retention hoop on the front wheel. When you're happy, make sure that the handlebar clamp is flush with the painted tube, then fully tighten the bolt with the Allen key. Tighten until the clamp feels secure and the handlebars are locked in position.